In this lesson, we will see together les indéfinis, but more precisely, we will see peu. So, of course, the question is, what are les indéfinis? So let's try to see that together. Indefinite words in French are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified people, things, or quantities. So this is the first point. Second point that is extremely important. They often express concepts like quantity, frequency, or degree without specifying exact details. And this is a key thing with les indéfinis. You don't specify exact details. And the last point, they play a crucial role in constructing sentences that refer to indefinite or unspecified concept. So clearly, if you don't really want to be specific, you will have to know and master les indéfinis. In this lesson, we will see peu, and the indefinite peu is translated to few or little in English. And we will see 4 examples with peu. Il y a peu de places disponibles dans le parking. Il y a peu de places disponibles dans le parking. Elle a peu d'expérience dans ce domaine. Elle a peu d'expérience dans ce domaine. J'ai eu peu de temps pour préparer la présentation. J'ai eu peu de temps pour préparer la présentation. Peu de gens connaissent cet endroit secret. Peu de gens connaissent cet endroit secret.